Good morning from Grass Corp in southern Indiana. This is our beef herd behind us that we're selling in the Beef Bonanza. Make sure you visit our website to find it. Since you're watching, you're interested, so we're going to give you details about our beef and how we raise them. In this video, I'd like to share some of the reasons why our animals are regenerative. It seems to be a huge and growing word in the food industry to be regenerative. A lot of stores are jumping on board with this, and we're making it a term that is usable, but it means something. For us, our animals and our land, we raise, farm, and manage them regeneratively. Most row crop farms use the soil, and we regenerate it by cycling vitamins, minerals, water, carbon out of and back into the soil so that it all stays here and can be used for generations to come. Since we just moved the cows, I want to show you a little bit of their old paddock. As you can see behind me, the corn is gone. They've eaten it all the way down to the very stubs of the stems. The leaves are gone, everything. But if you look down here at the soil, we've got this grass matted underneath. There's a cricket in there. This grass, this is what's going to feed the soil. The cows didn't eat it, but it's not wasted. So all of this that's laid down here, they've trampled it onto the ground, and underneath, eventually, when it's had time, the earthworms will have eaten a lot of this. A lot of the soil microbes will have eaten this and pulled it down into the soil and decomposed it, and the new plants will come up through it. Here in our soils, we have lots of living organisms and organic matter, carbon, rainwater, everything stored in them. And this is good, and we like to keep that there because it keeps the plants healthier for the animals. That gets vitamins and minerals and a lot of amino fatty acids in your meat. And we keep it there by not taking this plant material away. It goes into the animals, but it also comes out. And this is a cycle. The animals only take about 3% of what's here in the soil and in the plants with them whenever they leave. The rest of it is returned as processed manure back onto the soil. This breaks down the vitamins and minerals into usable forms so that the plants and the soil life can reuse them. Most farms conventionally, they raise and grow their crops and they cut them off at the ground, and they take all of the plant material with them as hay, or even as grain crops, they take the seeds with them, which is where all of the nutrition is at. And this takes a large percentage of the vitamins and minerals away from the soils. Yes, they fertilize and they replace these with fertilizers, but the fertilizers are man-made and they don't contain all of the necessary vitamins and minerals to create a healthy ecosystem. But because we can leave everything here and bring it through the animals, we have a continuous system that does not use, but it regenerates and renews the living soil.